Hi Salem, I want to come to you today with another video on some updates. As we all know, the construction of 56 is winding down, and so I'm happy to say from our last chat we're seeing very much the end of this project, very much the end of the road, and the 56 corridor is really taking shape. If you've been out that way, you see and how it's come together, and we're so happy to see that come to an end. Very happy NDOT made the investment. We certainly know the inconveniences that came with it, and the light at the end of the tunnel is finally here. And so with that, as I mentioned last time, we had our side project with Bristol Street that the City of Salem made those improvements on to intersect with Washington Boulevard on the west side of Salem. Another great project, fit really well together, and so again, all those things are winding down, and so a little bit of relief for our western side of the city. So as the road striping is finalized, please take a trip out there and witness the new road. Something else I'd like to talk about as far as projects and construction, as I have mentioned, diligently working on a new park feature, and don't have all the details, but I will tell you the splash pad improvement project is taking shape. We now have in hand a permit that has been long awaited, and it has came. So moving forward, we are finalizing some designs, we are finalizing some locations, and I'm very anxious to see that start. And goodness, we all want another feature in our community, and this will be a good feature. So thank you, stay tuned. There are more details to come on that. See you.